Hello everyone. Welcome back to our grade 7 math series. In our last video, we learned how to add and subtract integers. Today, we are going to explore how to multiply and divide integers and learn properties of addition and subtraction of integers. Let's get started. Our objective today is to understand the rules for multiplying and dividing integers and to practice applying these rules and learn about the properties of addition and subtraction of integers. Let's begin Let's begin with multiplication of integers. Here are the rules you need to know. Positive times positive gives positive. The rule tells us that positive times positive equals positive, so 3 multiplied by 4 gives 12. Negative times negative gives positive. The rule says that negative times negative gives positive, so minus 3 times minus 4 gives 12. Positive times negative gives negative. According to our rule, positive into negative gives negative, so 3 times minus 4 is 12. Negative times positive gives negative. The rule tells us that negative times positive equals negative, so minus 3 times 4 is minus 12. Here's a quick tip to remember. When multiplying integers, if the signs are the same, the result is positive. If the signs are different, the result is negative. Now, let's move on to division of integers. The rules for division are similar to those for multiplication. Positive divided by positive gives positive. For example, 12 divided by 4 gives 3. Negative divided by negative gives positive. For example, 12 divided by minus 4 gives 3. Positive divided by negative gives negative. 12 divided by minus 4 gives minus 3. And negative divided by positive gives negative. For example, minus 12 divided by 4 gives minus 3. Here's a quick tip to remember. When dividing integers, if the signs are the same, the result is positive. If the signs are different, the result is negative. Same as multiplying. Let's practice with a few problems. Pause the video if you need more time to solve them. Here are the answers to the questions. How did you do? Great job if you got them right. If not, don't worry. Keep practicing and it will get easier. Now, let's talk about where we use multiplication and division of integers in real life. For example, if you owe $3 each day for 4 days, you owe minus 3 times 4 minus $12. If you share a $15 debt among 3 people, each person owes 15 divided by 3 gives $5. Here are some more practice problems to try on your own. Comment below the answers and I'll check each one of them. Properties. Closure property. First, let's discuss the closure property under addition and subtraction. The closure property states that if you add or subtract any two integers, the result will always be an integer. This means that the set of integers is closed under addition and subtraction. Let's look at some examples to understand this better. If we add 3 and 5, the result is 8, which is an integer. Similarly, if we subtract 7 from 10, the result is 3, which is also an integer. Therefore, integers are closed under addition and subtraction. Commutative property. Let's talk about the commutative property of addition. The commutative property states that changing the order of the add ends does not change the sum. In other words, a plus b equals b plus a for any integers a and b. For example, let's add 4 and minus 2. According to the commutative property, 4 plus minus 2 should be equal to minus 2 plus 4. Therefore, addition of integer is commutative. Associative property. Now let's explore the associative property of addition. The associative property states that the way in which integers are grouped when added does not change the sum. In other words, a plus b in bracket plus c equals a plus b plus c for any integers a, b and c. Now let's look at the example 2 plus 3 plus 4. Let's take a as 2, b 3 and c 4. The result it gives us 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 4 9. Okay. But what if we do 2 plus 3 plus 4, and first we add 3 plus 4. So it is 7 plus 2, 9. As you can see, both of the results are same. Demonstrating that addition is associative. Additive identity. Next, let's discuss the concept of additive identity. The additive identity property states that there is a unique integer, 0, which when added to any integer does not change its value. In other words, a plus 0 equals a for any integer a. For example, if we add 0 to minus 5, we get minus 5. Similarly, if we add 0 to 7, we get 7. Therefore, 0 is the additive identity for integers. Let's practice what we have learned with a few problems. Pause the video if you need more time to solve them. First question is the set of integers closed under subtraction? Provide an example. Second, demonstrate the commutative property of addition with integers 5 and minus 3. Third, show the associative property of addition with integers 2, 4 and minus 6. Fourth, what is the additive identity of integer minus 7? Here are the answers to the previous questions. Check and comment your scores. Remember to ask doubts in the concept you are facing any difficulty in. To summarize, today we learned about the multiplying and dividing integers, closure property, commutative property, associative property, and additive identity of addition and subtraction of integers. Understanding these properties is essential for mastering integer operations. Keep practicing and soon you'll be a pro at it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video where we'll explore more exciting maths concepts. Here are some more practice problems to try on your own. Is the set of integers closed under addition? Provide an example. Demonstrate the commutative property of addition with integers minus 8 and 3. Show the associative property of addition with integers 1, minus 2 and 5. What is the additive identity for the integer 10?